Hi, it's Tony, and you're Pop Pop's Workshop. I just got done fixing things, bad glue up. So, if you've ever had a bad glue up, you understand the frustration. When we do these cutting boards, the bigger ones, I like to glue because this is all going to be two big cutting boards cut out of here. Um, and I glued both sections up because then I can run them through my planer to get the glue cut off and everything consistent. Then I've just got one joint I have to deal with at the end. Well, when I put these together, I realized I was a little short, so I had to rip down another board, and I thought it would be fine. Didn't account for possible wood movement or wonkiness in that one board, and when I glued that section of one board and two halves together, it didn't come together. I was turning those clamps for everything I was worth. I thought it was going to break my clamps. That's how bad it was. And I couldn't get it to come together, so I just left it alone. Had daylight through the joints. It was ugly. So I did what any self-respecting woodworker would do. I sat for the evening and thought about it, and then I came out to the shop and said, I'm just going to cut it apart. So I did. We went through the table saw. We ripped down one side, got a nice clean edge, ripped down the other side, left this middle board really wonky, so I cleaned that up. And you can still see that it wants to, there's some tension in the board. However, the nice thing now is when I put the clamps together, that's going to give me a nice clean joint. So, it's never too late to panic, even though I panicked. But stop what you're doing when you get into a bad situation like that. Take some time to think about it and come back at it fresh the next day. That's what we did. It's going to work out great. We'll get 2 of these. I've got 5 total I got to do. So we'll get this glued together and then on to the next project. So hopefully you guys are having a better day in your shop than I had last night. And if you get a chance, maybe you could subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the content. We thank you for watching. We never take for granted that you've spent your time with us, and we're truly grateful for that. So remember, you can do this.